pala. Tama na sa'yo. Wala na ang kulay ko.
At point guard number 7, Paul De La Cruz. At shooting guard number 8, Kenneth Reyes. At center number 10, Verhel Halcon. At small forward number 16, Dan Leonard De Leon. And at power forward number 19, Dominic Fajardo. The head coach for the Gold Gears is Antonio Tayao. Officials for the ball game are Rico Baron, Ramon Santiago, and Jeffrey Tantay. Fourth man is Willie Eagle.
Taking a look at our starters para dito po sa inaugural season ng ating UCBL. Ito po, Olivares Sea Lions. At nandito nga tayo sa Olivares College Coliseum. Dominic Fajardo is the starter para dito sa Bulacan State University. And everybody's excited. Everybody's already shouting as we get this thing going. Well, muli po, Benji Santiago, kasama ko po si Coach Butching Akot. Later on, we'll be joined at courtside ng ating kasama si Rina Villamor. And welcome po sa inyo mga basketball fans. Bago po ito. Bago itong liga na ito. At ito nga, nakikita natin ang prowess and skills ng mga young athletes representing their colleges and universities. Tried a fancy pass, and right now, they get the ball back at the other end. Wala pa po nakaka-score. Gigil pa yata ito, Coach Bujing.
Back-to-back turnovers by both teams.
So eto na, meron na tayong score para sa Bulacan State University. Ito naman ang Olivares. Wild with a shot from the outside. But somehow they will still keep ball possession here.
Alam mo, partner, hindi tayo magkarinigan sa hiyawan ng mga estudyante dito sa game.
Ito. Let's see how this one will fare out para rito. Olivares College Sea Lions. That's a nice pass. That's a nice defensive job by Bulacan State University. Let's see this three. Ayaw pa rin. Buzzer sounding up. Shot clock. Pero tuloy lang ang laro, sabi ng mga referee. And that gave an opportunity for Olivares to score their first basket in this game.
In that situation, never giving up ang Olivares, Sea Lions. That was a putback by Velasco.
Gilid ng board. Second chance. Wild. Wild ang mga estudyante ng Olivares College.
Maverick sa gigit, scoring.
Fajardo is blocked. Olivares on the attack again. There's a foul. But a scoring opportunity is coming up para dito sa Olivares.
Chan Hako was called for a foul. So may 2 free throws na ibibigay dito kay Velasco.
The contact first and then the block. Whatever comes first, yun na nakita ng mga referees. And a free throw has just been made here.
The score is 5-2. Sea Lions starting to make their run. As early as this quarter, nararamdaman mo kaagad yung depensa na pinakikita ng both teams.
Benidale Velasco missing the second free throw. Olivares with the lead. It's some trapping defense in the backcourt. But here comes Bulacan State University underneath. It's a basket again.
That was a good press break by Gold Gears, making that 2 points for Hako.
John Verhel Halco who scored the first basket para sa Bulacan State University. Ito.
What a give and go play by Richard Singh.
Another steal and another basket for Olivares.
John Albert Rabe scoring for Sea Lions.
In full gear ang offense ni John Albert Rabe and the rest of Olivares College Sea Lions. You do something good on the defensive side, and that would create an opportunity for you to have a golden opportunity on the offense naman.
On the replay, nakita natin kung gaano katindi, kung gaano kasikip ang depensa na pinakikita ni Coach Mike sa gigit.
But of course, this is just the first quarter. And remember, we're playing college and university basketball, 10 minutes per quarter. Rabe could increase their lead with these free throws. A miss. Whose basketball is it going to end up with? Bulacan State University. They're on the run. Can they finish? No! And there's a foul that's going to be called against Bulacan State University.
Leonard De Leon was called for a foul.
Si Christian Desio. Ay, hindi. Tama. A steal here for Bulacan.
So it's time for Bulacan to run their 1-2-2 half-court pressure defense.
It is 5. Missing from the outside. The ball stays for Bulacan State University. They're the team in red shirt. Samantala, ito si Singh. It's going to be called for the foul.
Napwestuhan si Singh, si Richard Singh.
The amount of pressure for somebody from all the way from Bulacan to be playing here in Parañaque.
I agree with you. They came all the way from Malolos, Bulacan to play against Olivares, and alam mo na, home court advantage pa ang Olivares sa game na to.
You know, yung mga pumapasok dun, yung mga factors to be considered here, like yung biyahe mo papunta ng Parañaque, galing ng Malolos, and then ikaw ang first game. And then you battle, kumbaga, yung home team. Wow! They're just down by 3, though. At ang Olivares executing their half-court offense here. You can see the time remaining here in the first quarter, pero action-packed. At saka nakakatuwa for these young basketball athletes, the way they're, yung tempo ng game, ang bilis.
Tama ka, partner. Yan talaga ang college basketball. Nakausap ko nga si Coach Mike sa gigit kanina. Sabi niya, mahirap kalaban ng Bulacan State Gold Gears kasi may shorter sila sa lineup but they compensate it with speed.
2 free throws here para kay Benedale Bilaso. Two rebounds.
He has 3 points already in this ball game. Si Belaso.
Bilaso falls short on the second. And Bulacan State University right now with a basketball. One-on-one play here, resulting in a foul that's going to be called against Olivares.
Ito yung pinag-usapan natin, partner. Si Dominic Fajardo ng Bulacan State University. Ito na, nagsisimula na siyang umararo. So may 2 free throws dito si Dominic Fajardo.
Alam mo, ito si Dominic Fajardo. I have seen him play before. Ito, Amador ito ng Bulacan State University. He just had to get himself going right now. He saw a shot of his falling in at 2 free throws, making it that could spark something here para sa Bulacan.
You know, Dominic Fajardo just needs a little more exposure. Feeling ko he can make it to a PBA D-League or any teams that can play in PBA.
The shot falls in. Benedale Bilaso.
Belaso
Very
has 5
active.
points, partner.
Kaya
5
nga.
points in this ball game.
A steal and a completion.
Maverick Sagigit scoring from a good stop.
Another steal. Another finish. No. Medyo malayo yung kanyang takeoff. In the meantime, a basket here.
John
para kay-
Reyes
Yes.
scoring for Bulacan.
We got a timeout here. Olivares leading by 3 here in the first quarter. As we take a look at this, si Bilaso, very, very active on offense. Consistency, we will try to see. But of course, some hustle play here para sa Olivares. That's why they're ahead here in the first quarter.
Back here in the more about the Bulacan State University Gold Gears under Coach Antonino Tayaw. You may also call them as the Bulso or the BSU. Their school was established in 1904, but they're not new in the basketball scene because they've also played in the WNCA. Right now, they're also the defending champions of the ESCWA. According to the Vice President for International Affairs, Mr.
All right. Thank you very much, Rina Villamor. At dalawang games po ang hatid namin sa inyo dito sa ating first official opening games ng ating UCBL. They say ang tagline, our time to shine. They're given a chance na makita sila ng mga basketball fans na kumbaga dito makaka-develop tayo ng mga bagong idols ninyo, So, just keep on watching, subaybayan ninyo mga pangyayari. We are on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And for those who are interested to watch the games live talaga as it happens, you can check us out dito sa ating venue, dito po sa Olivares College Coliseum. Lead is still 3 para sa Olivares, 15-12. You can see the time remaining, 4 minutes and 26. Another steal. They're coming up with a lot of those defensive gems para rito sa panig ng Olivares. Trying to find the open man. Somebody's open. Takes it from the outside. Punit ang net. Sing delivers.
Oh, that's Proville Bermudez.
Sa Bermudez ba?
Oh,
sorry,
that's a catch and shoot, 3 points.
Alam niyo po, kinikilala pa rin po namin ang mga players dito. Well, don't you worry about it. Hindi naman kayo maghihintay na matagal. Constant watching. The consistency of how you will follow this league.
Alam mo, partner, yung shuffle ni Coach Mike sa gigit, mabilis kasi yung gusto niya mangyari deploy na kaagad yung kanyang trooper sa depensa, full court pressure para mas mabilis makapagpahinga.
Let's see how this one will fare out. Half-court off. Oh, another swipe! Another defensive job by Olivares.
And that was a good block by Lordy Geronimo of Sea Lions.
Oh!
It's a back-to-back 3 points by Proville Bermudez.
Ang tawag ko na sa kanya ngayon, Bermutres.
Bermudez.
Wow, back-to-back 3-point baskets. What a move.
Oh, that was a traveling violation by Dominic Fajardo. This is the second 3-point shot of Bermudez, Proville Bermudez of Sea Lions.
21-12, all of a sudden, Olivares pulling away here in the first quarter with over 3 minutes remaining. Ito sa ating opening quarter of this ball game. That was a block. This shot won't fall. They're getting it back. Bulacan State University solid in their defense that time around. What a play. Derecho ang ilista na.
Christian Nescio
Yeah.
scoring 2 points on a fast break for Bulacan State University.
A long drought earlier, broken by that basket by Nescio. And the offense, nothing working out para rin sa panig ng Olivares.
Another violation, traveling violation, another turnover for Bulacan State.
Christian Nescio had the right thing in mind when he attacked this at first. Beautiful. And then he tried again, but somehow they committed turnover. There's a timeout, 21-14 Olivares. Welcome back. Olivares Sea Lions leading in this ball game as of the moment with 2.5 remaining to end the first quarter. Sabi nga sa inyo, first quarter pa lang, grabe ang energy nitong mga basketball players from both teams. Too fancy with that shot, and the defense was there for Bulacan. They're still trailing in this ball game by 7. Nescio throwing that one away, pero touch last by the white shirts. No, it's Olivares. No. Bulacan nga, Bulacan.
So Bulacan has a 30-second shot clock to orchestrate their offense.
Tingnan natin. Shot clock down to 5 right now. Nescio. And the setup job here won't go. Nagmamadali ang Olivares, almost losing it. Bermudez again, goes for the long two, yes!
Hindi pa nagmimintis dito sa game na to si Provil Bermudez. He has now 8 points in this ball game.
And now he's defending, but he commits a foul.
Bagay na bagay kay Coach Mike sa gigit yung kanyang mga gwardya. You know, mahasel ito. Kita-kita natin yung short jumper ni Provil Bermudez scoring 2 points for Sea Lions.
Every time he's open, so kumbaga, we're doing our own scouting. Bermudez is deadly.
Hindi lang tayo nag-scout, partner. Lahat ng coaches dito on our left side, yung CEU, Coach
totoo
Yong
yan.
Garcia scouting already their opponents.
This is Den De Leon on your screens right now. He has 4 points in the game.
And then De Leon is off guard, standing 5'10", galing ng paumbong Bulacan. He's the backup center for Dominic Fajardo.
Nagmintis yung kanyang dalawang free throws, pero dito, the other side, so Olivares could not produce any points. Nevertheless, they still have the lead, 23-14. Just over a minute remaining here. Dominic Fajardo is fouled by Diaz.
Oh, na-foul ni Christian Diaz si Dominic Fajardo on a lob pass coming from John Hako.
Dominic Fajardo made his free throws earlier and he still continues. Although wala pa siyang field goal, sabi ko nga, kamador eh.
Alam mo, partner, pagka ganitong first game, adjustment, yan ang tamang word, no? Feeling the game, adjusting sa tawagan, adjusting sa opponent. Ito yun eh, sabi nga, diba, it's our time to shine. Bago ka mag-shine, partner, kailangan ka muna dumaan sa butas ng karayong.
A little lull, and now we continue with the action. The inbound and the pressure of the defense. So you got to move that ball. 23-16 para sa Olivares. Medyo matagal-tagal silang hindi nakaka-score dito. Natatahimik yung kanilang mga estudyante. ng mga followers. 9 na segundo para makapag-execute ng magandang play ang Olivares. And even before the inbound, there's already a foul.
Oh, holding foul ang tinawag kay Jose Miguel Bagay of Gold Gears. Ang tawag doon, impediment. Hindi nakagalaw si Provil Bermudez sa kanyang pagkuha sa bola.
Yun na nga sinasabi ko eh. Wala kang isasablay na field goals and then you take your free throw, sablay yung una. He makes the second one though. Pero ito si Bermudez, good on his offense, but he's also trying to defend. 8 ang lamang ng Olivares. Fajardo going all the way, getting his first field goal in this game.
Ayan na. Nagsisimula na umararo si Dominic Fajardo, scoring 5 points in this ball game.
45 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Long ways to go. Nagsisimula pa lamang tayo. Ito ang ating unang game dito sa UCBL. Universities and Colleges Basketball League. Sea Lions keeping ball possession. And the refreshed shot clock is at 14. Ito na naman si Bermudez. Bermudez sneaky pero hindi pumasok. His first miss from the field. Ito na naman si Nesio. What a play.
What a shot by Jose Bagay. Coming from an assist by Nesio, Christian Nesio.
Yun ang tinatawag na para kay Bagay, akmang-akma.
Bagay na bagay. Ang pasa ni Nesio kay Bagay.
4 na lang. Ito lamang ng Olivares. Could that increase it? Offensive rebound. Butata. Meron pantira. Wow. 24-20. Close one here. But what piece of action. Just to showcase the kind of action that we could present to all of you mga basketball fans dito sa ating UCBL. See them run, see them play, see them score, see how beautiful can they get those baskets. And it's just the start, the first quarter pa lamang. 24-20 para sa Olivares. Nine points in the first quarter para kay Provil Bermudez. And of course, ang Olivares Sea Lions leading just by 4. Here we go with the second quarter of action. Muli po, Benji Santiago kasama ko si Coach Bojing Akot at courtside. It's Rina Villamor. Ito po ang UCBL. Yes, bago po ito. Universities and Colleges Basketball League. Our time to shine. Ang kanilang tagline. And you can see this piece of action. It gets to be physical. Pero iba mga pangangatawan kasi nito mga bata na ito malalakas eh. At ang bibilis. A steal for Bulacan. Behind the back. All the way.
What a shot by Master Antonio Mendoza.
Tandaan niyo po, UCBL po, nakita niyo, yung galaw na yan. Take a look at this, Coach Bujing.
Grabe sa sidestep, patukot na layup. Parang huli nakita kong ganyan lumaro sa LA Tenorio, ganyan-ganyan nilaro kahapon.
Baka yung resulta. 24-22, dikit na itong ating ball game rito. Napagod ba itong Olivares? The way they've been handling things, the pace of the game kanina.
Yung depensa kasi ng Bulacan State nag-tighten din eh. Tapos alam nga natin na they like to run. So every single time na tumatakbo sila, they're having advantage sa offense nila.
Dominic Fajardo falls short with the 3, but they get the ball back. And look at this quick passing for Nesio.
Grabe. Grabe ang eye-to-eye communication ng Gold Gears.
Tabla na tayo, 24 all. Eto, lalamang ulit ang Olivares.
Lordy Geronimo scoring an easy 2 points.
Sa ilalim, wala. The second try, still nothing for Bulacan. Atake na naman ang Olivares. Oh! Nescio will be called for the contact there.
Both teams like to run in transition. So, ang nangyayari dyan, ina-atake nila kahit hindi lamang yung tao. Di ba? Walang advantage or disadvantage. Basta if you have the opportunity to go for a layup, to go for a score, ginagawa ng both teams.
So these will be free throws. Pumasok.
I believe Lordy Geronimo scored already 3 points in this ball game.
2 for 2.
Maganda tong Lordy Geronimo, partner.
Oo.
Yung, alam mo yung athletic yung frame kagad niya, makikita mo sa kanya na pwede siyang makipagsabayan eh.
Ben Leon with a bad pass. Ito ang transition. A finish para sa Olivares.
Kakasabi lang natin, athleticism. Lordy Geronimo scoring another for Sea Lions. He has now 6 points.
Another steal. Counter steal naman for Bulacan. Ben Leon sidesteps. He is blocked. Battle for that loose ball. Olivares has it. Pero traveling a night hour. Pero still the effort. Mapapalakpakan pa rin ng coach sa higit. Tsaka mapalakpakan niya.
Siyempre.
Pero it's a great effort.
Ito nga yung fast break kanina ni Lordy Geronimo scoring for Sea Lions.
They're trying to go back to the things that they were doing in the first quarter. Mahigpit na depensa will result in great transition plays para sa panig nga ng Olivares Sea Lions. Shot clock is 10 para sa Bulacan State University. Another steal. Let's see. Mapi-finish ba? Oh yes! And one!
It's an offensive foul.
Oh really?
Ang John Albert Rabe, hinawi niya sa ere. Ito makikita natin.
Ayun.
Tama nga naman yung tawag nila. Papalayo, instead papalapit ang Bulacan, napalayo. Yung Bulacan papunta Parañaque, hinawi ng tiga Parañaque, napabalik sa Bulacan.
7:31 dito sa ating second quarter. Lead is 6. Hindi pa umi-score rito ang Bulacan State University. Oh, how about this?
Maverick Sagigit scoring 3 points. Hindi lang sa depensa, pati sa opensa, nagko-contribute si Maverick Sagigit.